Hi kids, how are you? Okay, today we'll start with a new chapter of social science, social and political life. Chapter number 2, diversity and discrimination. Now, before we start with the chapter, we should know what is the meaning of diversity. The first chapter, if you remember, the name is Understanding Diversity. So you already know diversity means difference in the people, the way they live, correct? The way they wear, the religion they believe in, the food they eat, the clothes they wear, the language they speak. That is all the differences which we find are called as diversities. In India, you will find lot of diversity, but then too we all are united, means we all live together, correct? So this chapter we are going to understand about the different diversities, the different differences in the people. Now kids, why all people are different, correct? That we are going to learn over here. Like there are many things that make you or make us different from other people, correct? Now for example, in school itself, you just take a friend of yours, you both are very good friends, but you will find you are different from him. He talks in a little different language, he eats something else, he wears clothes differently, he might be going to different places for religion purpose, correct? So we are going to learn about the diversities, the differences, why it happens. Now there are many reasons for it. Now you will find there are many things that makes us what we are. That means why we are different from other people. That is because it depends on how we live, the language we speak, what we eat, what we wear, the games we play, the things we celebrate, correct? You can easily make out the two people are different by checking out these things what I said. Now these all things differ because of geographical reasons, because of historical reasons. Now kids, historical reasons means people who used to stay where we are staying now before us, our forefathers, and before that the kings who used to be over there, correct? They used to live in a different manner, they used to believe in one concept, and then slowly when our forefathers started doing this similar way, and from forefathers our parents learned it, and now we are learning from them. So this way the history has been repeated. Similarly, the differences in us also appears because of geographical reason. Now kids, geographical reason means where we are living. If we are living in in some cold place, we will live in a different way. We will wear thick clothes, fairy clothes, like we will wear sweaters, shawls. Then we will eat, which will give heat to our body. Correct? Similarly, if we are living in a place where it is very hot, so we will not wear sweaters and all. We will what we will wear? Cotton clothes or something which is soothing us. Yeah, kids. So what was I talking about? Yeah, we where or we live according to the surrounding geographical reasons. Like now look, if we are living near the seashores, then what we will do? Our occupation, the work what we will select is mostly fishing, correct? What we will eat fish. Then if we are living on mountainous areas, there our lifestyle of living will be different. So all our how we are, that depends on the geographical and historical things of that place. Clear? Everything depends on where we are living. The surrounding affects our behavior, the way we live. Clear? So in this chapter we are going to learn about the different diversities of India. Like, there are many languages spoken over here in India, but the main mother tongues, the important mother tongues, total in India are 1600. There are 1600 total mother tongues, the main mother tongues in India. Then there are eight major main religions which people of India, or you can say in the world, they follow. Okay, there are main eight religion which you find in whole world. In different parts you will find different religions. Clear? So total there are eight major religions in the world. Then there are 1600 languages that people speak. That is called the mother tongue, means which they speak at home, are called mother tongue. And there are more than 100 dance forms. You might have heard Kathakali, correct? Then there are many dances, Bharatnatyam, Kathakali, break dance, many dances. So there are more than 100 dance forms. Okay, kids, we continue tomorrow. Okay, just read the chapter and tip. See you. Bye bye.